Hi students, welcome to today's class. The previous classes all we were discussing about the theory part of describing motion. Yes or no? Yes. I hope that all of you are remembering all the theory parts. Now, today we are going to do numericals. Don't get frightened by hearing numericals. Don't think that it is so difficult, I don't know. No. We can do the numericals of physics very easily. What is the thing you have to do? Two techniques I will tell you. First thing, read the question word by word. Whatever is the given thing, write down from that. Then, second thing is, remember this is related with which topic, which is the mathematical formula which we have studied there. Then we are able to do the numericals very easily. Understood? Are you ready? Shall we start with numericals? Yes or no? Yes. See, here the first one which I have given. A body moves along a circular path of radius 14 meter. So, this is a circular path of radius 14 meter. Calculate the distance travelled and displacement of the body when it completes one round of the circular path. First time you read the question, read one more time. A body moves along a circular path of radius 14 meter. Stop there. What is given? Radius. So, I write R is equal to how much? 14 meter. Now, calculate distance. What is asked? Calculate distance. So, I write distance is equal to calculate. So, question mark. Second, what is asked? And displacement. Question mark. So, given thing is one key word is there, circular path, then radius equal to 14 meter. What we have to find it out? Distance. So, write distance and put a question mark. Second part, what we have to calculate? Displacement. Write displacement and put a question mark. Then, come to the point distance. Remember the theory part. What is the meaning of distance? The path length covered by the body. Here, how many round he is covering? One round. Suppose he is standing here, then coming like this, reaches here. Yes? So, whichever path, same point he reaches. How will you calculate the distance travelled by the person? Yes, mathematics, use here the circumference of the circle. Are you remembering how to calculate circumference of a circle? A direct formula is there. What is the formula? Circumference C is equal to, say, 2 pi r. So, this is equal to distance travelled is circumference. So, that is equal to 2 pi r. Now, you know what is the value of pi. Pi is equal to how much you are taking in maths class? 22 by 7. So, this is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 multiplied by how much is radius? 14. Now, 7 and 14 you can cut. How much? 2. So, 2 2s are 4. 4 multiplied by 22. 4 22s are, okay, table you don't know, but 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Final answer is equal to 88 meter. Our radius is given in which unit? Meter. So, distance travelled is also in terms of meter. So got it? Why I took only circumference? Because 1 round is there. Suppose the question 5 round is there. What you will do it? 1 round circumference. 5 round is there in the question. Multiply it by 5. So got the technique? When the path is circular, how to calculate distance traveled. Now, second part of the question, displacement. Go to the definition of displacement. Shortest distance between the initial and the final position. Where was the person? Here. After 1 round, where did he come? Here. So, what is the difference between his initial and final position? 0. So, we don't have to calculate since it is circular path. 1 round he has calculated. Displacement is equal to, you can write xf minus xi. That was the formula we have used, xf minus xi, and that is equal to 0. What is the reason? Because 1 full round completed. So, whenever the question comes, 5 round completed, what is the displacement of the body? 0. Okay, clear? And one more hint I will give, same type of question, radius can change and number of rounds can change. Sometimes in such type of questions, half round is there. Just think half round where the person got, what is his position. Okay? Apply the same rule. Is it clear? So, we will go to the next one. Next question. A car starting from rest attains a speed of 36 km per hour in 5 minutes. Calculate its acceleration and distance travelled. First reading, not understanding. Yes, I know you will not understand. Second time read. A car starting from rest. First key word is given. A car starting from rest. When rest is here, something hint you got. What is the hint? Initial velocity equal to 0. So, u is equal to 0. Next, attains a speed of 36 km per hour. What is this 36 km per hour? That is the final speed. So, final velocity, what is the letter V? Equal to 36 km per hour. Now, in how much time? 5 minutes. So, t is equal to 5 minutes. Now, look here. What we have to calculate? Acceleration. How to calculate acceleration? Put acceleration. A is our question mark. Remember about the formula. Which is the formula for acceleration? Change in velocity upon time. So, A is equal to V minus U upon T. You have to substitute. But remember, before substituting, have a glance at the units. Here U is equal to 0, no problem. Then V is equal to 36 km per hour. And here time is equal to 5 minutes. So, what should we do? 5 minutes should be converted into hour. How will we convert minute into hour? Come on, tell me. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60. So, how will we do? So, 5 upon 60. Cut 5 ones are 5 12s. So, this is equal to 1 upon 12. Now, here you substitute A is equal to, instead of V, 36 minus U 0 upon, what is the answer here we got? 1 by 12. Right here 1 by 12, it is a fraction. When I am writing, 1 will come here and this will come up. So, what is the final answer you are getting? 36 minus 0 equal to 36. So 36 into 12. How will you do it? 12 6 are 72. 7. 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 7, 43. Now, acceleration I got 432. What we have to remember? Unit we have to write. What is the unit? This is in terms of kilometer per hour. So, the unit will come acceleration unit kilometer per hour square. Understood how to do it? Just to see what is given, then substitute in the formula. Most important thing to remember, units all should be in the same system. This is SI system, so next thing also should be in SI. Okay? Now, next part of the question, what is asked? Distance travelled. How will we find out distance travelled? We have two formulas to find out distance travelled. Which are that? Second one, S is equal to ut plus half at square. Third one, v squared minus u squared is equal to 2as. So, second equation, suppose you want to substitute, what you will do? Now, we are going to do the next part. So, to do the distance travelled, we will use the formula S is equal to u t plus half a t square. Now, u is equal to 0, first term 0 into t, whatever it is, the term is disappearing. Yes, 0 into 5 or 1 by 12, I write it is 0. So, this is equal to 0 plus half. What was our a? Remembering 432 multiplied by t square. How much is t squared? 1 by 12 into 1 by 12. So, you can cut it. Yes, 12. Earlier we had done it. Are you remembering what was this 432? 12? How many times it was there? Remembering? So, you cut, otherwise you can take 12's table, 12 and 43. How many 12's are there in 43? 12 3's are 36, 12 4's are 48. So, what will come? 12 3's are 36. So, 3 I wrote. How much is remaining? 43 minus 36, 7. So, 72. 72 how many times? 12. 12 how many are? 72, 6. So, what we will get? 36. Cutting you know it. So, 12, 36. Again what we can cut? Here is 1 12 and here is 1 36. Can you cut? Yes. 12 ones are 12 3's are. So, what is the final answer coming? 3 upon 2. Now, what is the unit of this distance we got? Can you say? See here, what is the unit of velocity? Kilometer per hour. What is the unit of time we got? Hour. So, coming to distance, it is in which unit? Higher unit, yes, that is kilometer. 3 by 2 kilometer. How much is 3 by 2? 1.5. So, 1.5 kilometer the person has travelled during the time 5 minutes. Is it clear how to calculate? Remember, reading the question, underline and understand each hint words given to us. Second thing, have a glance on the quantities with their units. Convert all the units into single unit system. That is, if one quantity is in SI, go for the next also in the SI system. Is it clear? So, for the exam, don't continue with 5 minutes. That time you have to remember 5 minutes means I have to convert it into hour. Minute convert into hour. So your sum becomes correct. Is it clear? Now we will see another sum. See here. A car is moving with a speed of 12 meters per second. While seeing an obstacle, the driver applies brake and its velocity becomes 8 meters per second in 2 seconds. Calculate the retardation of the car and distance moved by the car in 2 seconds. Clear the question? Repeat the question reading one more time. Car is moving with a speed of 12 meters per second. Stop. What is given to us? The initial speed of the car. Write it down. U is equal to 12 meters per second. Then what happened to the car? While seeing an obstacle, the driver applies brake. You know that when the driver is applying brake, its velocity decreases. Yes? What is the final velocity given? V is equal to 8 meters per second. And what is the time taken for that? T is equal to 2 seconds. Now, what you are asked to calculate? Retardation. Retardation, what was that? Yes, we have to calculate acceleration. When the acceleration becomes negative, we say it retardation. So, practically what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the acceleration. What is the equation for acceleration? Acceleration A is equal to V minus U upon T is equal to. Now, something I had told you earlier, what was that? After writing, look at the terms and their units. Here, 12 meters per second SI unit, V 8 meters per second SI unit, and T 2 seconds again SI unit. You don't have to change anything, just substitute how much we are getting. This is equal to V is 8 minus 12 divided by 2. So, this is 8 minus 12. What is 8 minus 12? Say, equal to 12 minus 8, but 8 is first, therefore smaller number, put the negative sign. Got it? So, 12 minus 8 is 4, but what we are doing? 8 minus 12, smaller number to bigger number. So, what is the sign? Minus upon 2. So, what is the retardation we are getting? Cut it. Minus 2 meter per second square. Understood how to do it? What is this minus gives? That is why we are writing retardation. If you write acceleration, minus 2 meter per second. If you use the word retardation, already negative is there. Retardation is equal to 2 meter per second square. Is it clear? Now, next part is asked distance moved by the car in 2 seconds. Which equation we will go for? Second equation, no problem. What is our second equation? S is equal to ut plus half a t square. So, this is equal to u how much? 12 multiplied by how much is t? 2 plus half. How much is our A? A is equal to minus 2. So, multiplied by minus 2 into how much is t? 2. T squared will be 4. So, 2 and this 2 cancels. What we will get? 12 into 2, 24. Remember, there is a hidden minus sign of 2 that we have to take minus. This 2 and 2 cancelled. What we are getting here? 4. So, what is the final answer? 24 minus 4 equal to 20 meter. Why I wrote 20 meter? Because velocity is given in meter per second. So, what will be the unit of distance travelled? It will be the SI unit of distance, that is 20 meter. Is it clear? So, this is the way. There are many numericals are there in the lesson that in the question answer form you will be getting in PDF.